presenting to you Badega to Banega India by Ultratech RMC, Ready Mix Concrete Business.
Kanyakumari to Kashmir and from Mumbai to Agartala, the key customers contribute 27% of our volume. This speaks volume about their confidence in us.
That question gave birth to VAC, Very Amazing Concrete. Listening closely to customer is when real innovation happens.
Thus, operational excellence is not an achievement for us, it is a habit. It is an invisible force converting concrete into confidence.
True excellence does not build efficiencies only for today, but also for tomorrow and beyond. This brings us to our responsibility of making concrete a material of sustainability. Often concrete is critiqued for its high carbon footprint, but our capable concrete technologists re-engineered raw materials and products to bring in an impact of reducing 8.5 lakh metric ton CO2 footprint per annum. 87% of our product is manufactured using industrial byproducts like fly ash and slag. Our teams have also started using newer byproducts like copper slag, construction demolition aggregates. Sustainability is not just an add-on for us. It is at the core of how we operate. Our plants are evolving into zero discharge facilities, reclaiming sand aggregate and water. Electric vehicles, electric machinery, solar panels are being piloted across the plants. The shift is not just technological, it is cultural. Whether it is optimizing energy use, reducing water consumption, or safe disposal, the responsibility runs through every level of the organization. Now, shifting our focus towards solving the problems of the future of the construction industry, Ultratech RMC is getting future ready through world-class innovation. We are even reimagining what concrete itself can do. When the engineers of Galeries Lafayette were rehabilitating this old heritage building into a spacious luxury showroom, they were faced with a challenge of reducing the number of pillars inside the building. Our latest product, Ultra High Performance Concrete, UHPC, with a record-breaking strength of 170 MPa, stood to the occasion and solved the problem. 3D printed concrete, 3D precast are ready to change the way construction industry has always built. Can you visualize that someday you may be looking at a translucent concrete wall which will allow the light to pass through? The sites of the future will deploy self-curing concrete which will eliminate the need for curing water altogether. All of this is backed by our R&D facility at Taloja. They have acquired multiple patents. We work along with IIT Madras, Indo-German Research Center and startup ecosystem to bring in AI into concrete mix optimization. We are also deploying sensors in transit mixers as well as concrete structures to monitor the properties of concrete on the real-time basis. The plants of the future will learn, adapt and self-correct, and that's where we are headed. Ladies and gentlemen, the vision for concrete is no longer cold and grey. It is alive, intelligent, responsible, and deeply human.
The results reflect this vision. The strong infrastructure is the foundation of a nation. May the quality be the guiding force in our quest for progress. Thank you.
Thank you. I can truly say that concrete doesn't feel grey any longer. Thank you for that interesting presentation. So what is it that keeps you awake at night?
I was very impressed with your sustainability journey. I mean, 87% alternate material. For me, it was a mind-boggling achievement. Do you also track Scope 3?
Sir, most of our, the footprint is Scope 3. So we are procuring the material from outside. In our plant, it's basically a very simple mixing process. So our embedded carbon footprint is what counts a lot. This journey is involving the shift of mindset of the industry from prescriptive specification to performance-based specification. Because currently, traditionally, people think that more cement in the concrete, better the concrete is. And what we are helping the industry understand that that's not necessarily true. We need to preserve our resource of limestone and use lesser of the clinker per unit construction we make. And that's the shift which we are trying to make. And we are relatively successful, but we have only made a little dent on the surface, a lot way to go.
I love your humility. I think I would just by curiosity, what kind of construction chemical you use when you replace clinker?
Well, super plasticizers are the category, and of course, one of them is from Saint Gobain, and there are others. But yeah, these are super plasticizers. They help us reduce water and hence also reduce the porosity in the concrete and give a lot better durable concrete.
Thank you.
Again, thank you very much for a truly inspiring session. When you began, you said it's a grey, dull, uninspiring commodity. But I think after seeing your inspiring presentation, it's farthest from that.
Do you use the digital technology to monitor the quality of concrete that you deliver on the project site?
Yes, sir. So there is something called maturity meter. This is the latest technology. At the moment, we are largely dependent on imported sensors. However, these sensors are, before pouring concrete in the structure, these sensors are tied inside the core of the structure. And as the concrete hardens, the softwares are such that even on your mobile phone, you can see how the strength is growing. All those properties is tracked. However, we are attempting to take the next step here because the technology needs to be indigenous. Then only it will be viable. So we are working along with a startup. It's a little bit of a classified information. So, but then we are working, and hopefully in a short time we'll be making it indigenous and proprietary.
Saint-Gobain has invested a lot on this, so we can all be of some help to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Team Ultratech RMC.